Wreath Shop, getting ready to cook a super simple, low carb breakfast, y'all. Super easy. Welcome to our channel. We appreciate it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, y'all. It really helps our channel grow. Check out our description below. We'll have our Koji link in there that you can follow and go check out some of our favorite products that we use, y'all. Come on, let's dive into it. Super simple, my go-to breakfast, y'all. Let me get y'all down so y'all can see what we got going on. Right now I got the oven preheating, y'all, to 400 degrees. I got just a little pan that I covered with aluminum foil. I do not like to clean any more than I have to. Spray your pan real light with some cooking spray. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get the bacon going first. Y'all, we kind of cut our bacon in half. Kind of always have. Cut it in half so it's already kind of sliced in half. Just put you some bacon on there. Now we do have this is a convection oven, so I have the convection turned on. Only takes about 12 minutes to cook the bacon in the oven. Just line it out on the pan. Lay it in a single layer. Just as many pieces as you want. We're just gonna make sure we put enough on the pan to fill it up. This is kind of a small pan. And we got things back going now. Let's get the bacon in the oven. Once it's preheated, it's only gonna take about 12 minutes, y'all. We're gonna set that timer. I don't wanna overcook it. Now we're gonna be making our spinach and eggs. The only thing I'm missing is my avocado. I had ran out of avocado, so if you definitely like to put, this is just some organic spinach, y'all, from Sam's. So let's get that heating up. We're gonna take a little bit of olive oil, drizzle some olive oil in the pan. I'm probably gonna use a little bit more. Anybody that watches us on Facebook, y'all know I have my coffee all the time. My community coffee. So we're going to kind of be doing this all in one pan. I hope y'all can kind of see what we got going on here. So we're going to let that heat up. We're going to just put our spinach in because we're going to wilt. We're going to wilt that spinach down. I'll probably put just a little bit more. And you can put a lot of spinach, y'all. I like spinach. It is good for you. Wilt it down as much as you want or as little as you want. So we got the spinach. I'm going to put a little bit of butter. So about a tablespoon of butter. Make a hole then down in the middle. Let that butter melt. So about a tablespoon of butter. And my little seasoning that I make, y'all. I make my own little concoction of granulated garlic, granulated onion, black powder, and salt. And I usually do it in not quite equal parts, but when I put it together, it tastes really good. Saves me a little bit of money by doing it in bulk like that when I'm ready to make more. So we're gonna let that kind of heat up. We'll add as much olive oil back on as we want to help it wilt down good. You can put a little water in the pan if you like, but you don't have to. Use whatever kind of oil that you like. If you like avocado oil, then go ahead and do that. Y'all, I like to kind of clean up as I go. I don't like to make any more of a mess than I have to. This is a super simple, super easy recipe that actually, it stays with me. Like, I won't eat again till probably 2 o'clock. Especially if I have my avocado in. But I'm out of avocado, so. But we are gonna have a lot of our proteins with our eggs. We're gonna be getting our cheese. I'm just using a taco cheese today. Just whatever kind of cheese you like. And as that's wilting down, we're gonna go ahead. I've got it on medium heat, it's on 4. So we're gonna go ahead and break our eggs in, because we want them eggs to cook in here with that spinach. I'm just gonna kind of drop them in. Just kind of drop them around. We're gonna do 3 today. And let them eggs in the oven just preheat. Let them eggs kind of cook as well in that spinach. Let everything kind of cook together. You can put if you have a lid to fit over this, you can. You can absolutely put a lid on it and just kind of steam everything a little bit. And then we're going to be adding our cheese. I thought about actually doing this on a low carb taco shell as well, which we could still do. I might do that. Let's do that. I kind of like that idea. So we're going to kind of break them eggs up and we're going to move them around. That way it's got some egg kind of throughout the spinach. Try not to scratch your little pan, y'all. And this is a very good spatula that I like, Pioneer Woman spatula. So it's gonna, you can see you're getting a lot of the fluid out of the spinach. Spinach just cooking out. I'm gonna get my low carb shells. I use a couple different kinds, y'all. Let me see where I know I have a 0 carb here. I think this is the keto. I forgot which one that is. Like, I use a couple different ones. I think that one's might be my 0 carb. I'm not sure. Can't remember. This is the keto pack. This is 4 net carbs, and this one's 5 net carbs, because it's a little bit bigger. I'm gonna try to see if I can get one to fit. So just use your low carb taco shell. Yeah, this one's gonna be the right size, so it's a little bit bigger. While those eggs are kind of cooking, we're gonna go ahead and put some cheese. That's gonna help it stick to that taco shell. So just sprinkle your cheese across it. If you want to add some more seasoning, you can. And put a good amount of cheese on it, y'all. Now, if you're dairy or you can't tolerate dairy, then you just leave that off. And we're going to stick that taco shell on top and let it melt. We're going to continue to let them eggs and stuff cook, and then we're going to flip it over. Put them back. I love the low carb taco shells though, y'all. They're absolutely wonderful. That brand is this is the La Banderita brand carb counter. So these bigger ones are 5 net carbs. The smaller ones are 4. Everything in this is good for you. You're getting your spinach, you're getting your eggs, getting some bacon. Getting the bacon. Check that out. And then I kind of start lifting up to see if it's able to be flipped yet. That way I can, when I get it flipped, I'll brown. You just flip the whole thing. And you can brown that other side. That's what it looks like. So we got the whole thing flipped. Everything's kind of cooking together, the eggs and everything. Let me grab a plate real quick. Got a plate to put that on. This is super simple, super quick. Take you about 15 minutes you know, to throw that together in the mornings. Absolutely wonderful. Y'all should give it a try. You can cut your heat up if you want to brown that. You still got enough oil. Get you a little brown crispiness going on that taco shell on it. And we're going to actually just slide him over onto the plate. I'm going to stick a little bit more cheese on the top. Let that melt. Just a little bit of cheese on top. Use whatever kind of cheese you like. It doesn't matter. I'm going to let that just melt. The heat from that's going to melt it. Take a look at the bottom. She's getting a little bit brown there. We're going to go ahead and cut the heat off. Cut the heat off. And we're going to slide it over onto the plate, y'all. I want y'all to be able to see that. Let me move some stuff here. Let me get down on that plate a little bit more. There's my coffee. You can see my coffee, my community coffee, y'all. Wonderful. Super easy. Slide that out onto the plate. Set him off to the side there. Get him in the middle. You can absolutely fold him up. Eat him like a quesadilla. You can leave your eggs runny if you like. I like them that way, but for this, I'm not. And now we're just going to wait on the bacon. Bacon's got 2 minutes left. Now, you could probably go ahead and get it out. Here, I would go ahead and wash my pan, because then I got my dishes kind of already washed. So I'm going to put him in. Let's dry him off. And I'll show you. He's clean. This is a blue diamond pan. So it's a blue diamond. Actually, really super easy to clean. Just don't cook it on high. You know, real high. Let's see if that bacon's ready, y'all. Bacon's gonna have to go to full 12 minutes. So, y'all, it is wonderful. I'm trying to get it in the camera for y'all. Super easy. Plenty fulfilling, y'all. You can put you some sausage if you wanted to cut some smoked sausage up into pieces. Cook it. Have it on here as well. Add whatever you like to it. It would make it your own. If you want some pepper jack cheese, you want a little spice, you want a little, if you want to keep it low carb, you put some jalapenos, chopped up jalapenos on it if you want it that way to add that little extra kick. And that's a wrap. That's all you need. Don't make your recipes too hard. Don't think about them too much. Just think about what you like and use it. Use what you like and don't worry about what everybody else thinks. We're just some simple people here. I hope y'all would follow our page. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like it. Give us a thumbs up if you get any kind of value out of our videos. We really appreciate it. Make sure you invite somebody to come hang out with us. Depending on how brown you like your bacon, we're going to take this. I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to get a little paper towel. Get me a paper towel and a little plate. Put that on a little kitty plate there. And we're going to get that bacon out. You can make it crispier if you want. I'll just get a little bit of the grease out. And we're going to add that bacon right on top. That's still kind of warm. I'm kind of patting dry. For time constraints, we're going to pat dry. And we're going to put it on, y'all. So we're going to put a couple pieces of bacon, 2 or 3, lay it out across. Kind of looks like a little pizza. You can fold it up. By all means, fold it up. Make like a little taco if that's what you want. Fold it together. A little piece of that. And you got you a little breakfast quesadilla, y'all. Let's cut him. Let's cut him and see what he looks like. Let me grab my big knife. Ooh, Let me get y'all down. Let me get y'all down so y'all can see. Let's get him cut. And we're gonna open him up. And that's it, y'all. There's your spinach. Spinach, egg, cheese, and bacon. Add what you like to it, y'all. Super, super good. Oh, not hard at all. Don't make them hard. Make your breakfast recipes easy. Make them healthy. Absolutely wonderful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, check out the description below. We'll leave our Koji link there. You'll see some of the products that we like and we love to use. We really appreciate it. Y'all, make sure you subscribe. Click that bell notification to get notified when we have some more videos out. We're fairly new to YouTube, so this is all kind of new for us. We are on Facebook a lot, doing our wreath making, our Small Town Wreath Shop. Check out our website in the description below, y'all. Thank y'all. Bye, everybody.